If you are into home improvement business, roofing business, tiling, plumbing, or cleaning services, then this video is for you. I hope you can see my screen. Probably right now you're seeing one of my clients' website, that is defenderdoor.com. This is the door company that I have recently worked for. So the purpose of this video is to let you know that you need to properly track your conversions to get maximum ROI from your Google Ads. Now, if I take you to the other tab, you can see that this is the Google account I manage. This is the Google account for the Defender Door. And if I go to the campaigns, you can see that in the last 7 days, they have received 187 conversions for only 1,000 and something dollars. So this ad campaign is going pretty well, and you can see that if I can click on the goals, you can see that I have also done the conversion tracking for them. These are the forms. These are the different forms on their pages. You can see contact us, free estimate. These are the different forms on their pages through which they track their leads coming through their website. This is a contact us form. You can see that this is on the windows. You can also see a contact form over here. So the purpose of showing you all this is because I am recently active on Twitter, and I can see that many home improvement business owner and roofing business owner is not properly tracking their forms and tracking their conversions, tracking their user behavior, tracking their user journey, and all that. So this video is for you if you want to track all your user actions, behavior journey, and conversion tracking. You can contact me. I am a Google Ads professional. I do also do Meta ads. You can see on my screen, this is my Twitter profile. I use Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics 4 for the track of the user journey. I am a conversion tracking expert as well. You can also see my LinkedIn profile over here. I'm active on LinkedIn. You can also message me here on LinkedIn. So I'm going to put all my details in my Twitter profile so you can contact me very easily. So this video is for your information. If you want to track me, you want me to track your conversions, you can contact me. So that's all for now. Bye bye.